Are you struggling to get students to enroll in your online course? Don't worry, we've got you covered with these 5 powerful marketing strategies. First up is WhatsApp marketing. With its wide reach and high engagement rates, WhatsApp is perfect for connecting with potential students. Use automated reminders to boost webinar attendance and engagement. Personalize your communication at scale to make each student feel valued. Free webinars are a great way to showcase your expertise and build trust with potential students. Deliver exceptional content in your webinars and create urgency with limited-time offers for attendees to boost conversions. Leverage the power of digital advertising on platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to reach your target audience. Use precise audience targeting and retargeting strategies to maximize your ad spend and increase conversions. Implement effective email marketing campaigns to nurture leads and keep students engaged. Segment your audience and personalize your messages to improve open rates and conversions. Enhance your content marketing strategy to attract and enroll more students. Leverage video content to build credibility and optimize your content for search engines to improve visibility. Remember, you don't have to implement all these strategies at once. Start with 1 or 2 that fit your audience best and gradually expand your efforts. By consistently applying these marketing strategies, you'll see a significant increase in student enrollment for your online courses. Start implementing these tactics today and watch your course thrive.